Hello my beautiful people. Today I'll be teaching you how I produce this very beautiful soap. Can you see my soap? My two colored soap, very beautiful. And you know what? This soap recipe and the process is very simple that any Tom, Dick and Harry can produce it. Even if you've never made soap before. So if you've been trying to make soap and you have never gotten it right, please stay tuned and just watch till the end. You will be able to produce this one. Exactly. So let's jump right in. Okay, so here we go. I'll be using caustic soda 100 grams. I'll be using 50 grams of soda ash. Just follow me closely. I'll be using 350 ml of water. And I'll be using 500 ml of my oil. I'm using PKO, but actually you can use any oil of your choice. You can replace it with any oil. You can use palm oil, you can use tallow, you can use coconut oil, any oil. But here I'm using palm kernel oil, PKO. So let's jump right in. It's very simple. Very simple. I made it with just two chemicals, just caustic soda and soda ash, then my oil. And the soap is very strong and I cut it just after a few hours. So my water is 350 ml. I took 250 ml out of it to make my caustic soda solution, which is my light solution. That is what I'm making right now. So I took 250 ml of water from the 350 ml to make my caustic soda solution. Just please follow me. Just follow me. It's very simple. Very simple. Anybody can make this soap. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry. Even if you've never made soap in your entire life, you can make this. Very simple. Very simple. So we are done making our light solution. I'm just going to keep it to get cold. We are making soap using the cold method. So I'm going to keep my light solution to get cold. Okay, so that is my soda ash. So I'm making my soda ash solution. So one thing with soda ash is that immediately you're pouring into your oil, into your water, ensure that you're stirring it immediately, or else it will just get blocks underneath it. So that's our soda ash solution. So just stay tuned, just follow me. This soap recipe and even the process is very simple. People have told you that if you don't add sodium sulfate into your soap, you don't add calcium, you don't add everything in the world into your soap, that your soap will not get strong. I'm here to tell you that they are not telling you the truth. So just watch. Let's see what happens. I'm making this soap with only caustic soda and soda ash. Here, my soap will be very cheap because I did not add everything in the world. I did not add sodium sulfate. I did not add calcium. I did not add sodium lactate. I did not add anything. Just caustic soda, soda ash, and my oil. Okay. So what I'll do is I left my caustic soda for like 1 hour to get cold. And if you know you don't have 1 hour to wait, just get a bowl of water. Put your caustic soda into it to get cold. Once you touch and feel that it is cold enough, then you can use it. That's my light solution. I use 250 ml of water and 100 grams of lye. For my soda solution, I used 50 grams of soda and 100 ml of water, and I'll be using two colors here. So that's the colors I showed you. Then I'm using oil-based color. So let's go right into production. Just watch me perform this magic. If you've been having difficulty making soap, go and try this one. You'll come back and thank me. Okay, so what I did was to pour in my soda ash first. Why did I do this? Even though I know I can pour in my caustic soda first, but most times you buy some oils that, especially the ones that are company processed, maybe you pour in your caustic soda, the butter just get thickened immediately. This can help check that. So pour in your soda ash first, stir well to emulsify it, then add your caustic soda. You will see that it will be very fluffy. I know that my oil is good because I bought it from one person, but I'm teaching you this because I want you to know. So just please ensure you are wearing gloves. Don't be like me. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. I'm trying to do So please don't be like me. Wear your gloves, please. Wear your gloves. Please protect yourself. It is safety first. Safety, and safety. So here comes our beautiful butter. Can you see how fluffy our butter is? Very simple. Our soap is done. Very simple process. Very simple. Nothing complicated at all. Okay, so I'll be adding my color like I told you. I'll be using two colors for this. So I'll be using pink and orange. That's my pink color. So let's mix our color and see. This soap is very, very simple. Any Tom, any Dick, any Harry can do this soap. Even if you've never done soap in your life before, you can do this one. It's very simple. Just ensure you're wearing gloves. Ensure you measure your caustic soda very well. Ensure you measure your water very well. Ensure you measure your soda ash. And even if you don't want to add soda ash, you can still get it. It will still work. If you feel you are in a region where you can't get soda ash, go and do it with only caustic soda. 250 ml of caustic soda and 250 ml of caustic solution, you are fine. I just added soda ash because I want it to be able to remove dirt very well. And also, if those that will use it for their skin that wants it to clear off rashes, then the soda ash will also do that very well. Do you know that soda ash can clear off rashes in the skin? Have you tried it before? If you've not tried it, go and try it and come back to thank me. So that's why I just added a little bit of soda ash, because I am actually doing this soap for another soap, but I decided to teach you this first. So that is my colors. I'm mixing my colors. I'm mixing my colors. So I'm going to be dividing my batter into two. I'm dividing my batter into two because I want two colors. So just watch what I did. You can decide to use only one color. You can even decide not to add color at all. Just pour it into your mold like this. It will be fine. It will just come out as white color. I want two colors. That's why I'm doing this. So if you think you've been trying to make two color soap but you've not been able to, this is another way you can do it. So this, just watch what I did. But if you think you don't want color at all, you want a white soap, your soap is made already. It is done. So just pour it into your mold and allow it. In the next 2 hours, your soap will be fine. In fact, this soap, I did it and I cut it the same day. Just after 2 hours, my soap was ready to cut. Hope you are liking this video. Have you liked my video? If you have not liked it, please do well to like it. And if this is your first time coming across my channel or my video, I'm saying thank you so much for stopping by. Please do ensure you subscribe to my channel because I load you with values here. Value overload is what we do here. And ensure you hit the bell so that YouTube notifies you each time I upload new videos, new valuable content like this. So I've poured in the first batch, which is my orange colored soap. I use oil-based color. That's why you see me mixing my oil, my color with oil. I use oil-based color here. I'm trying not to talk too fast. If I talk too fast, I'm trying to calm down, slow down, slow down. Okay, calm down. That's what I'm doing here. So we're done pouring in orange colored soap. So let's go to our pink. So that's my pink color. I've poured it into my soap batter. So I'll mix with. It's not very simple. Please, if this soap is simple, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a like now. This soap is very, very simple. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can do it. Even if you have not done soap before, go and start with this. And ensure that when you do it and it comes out fine, please send it to me. Look at my WhatsApp number. Send it to me on WhatsApp. Tell me I made that your soap recipe that you made with only 2 chemicals. That is very, very... Let's even give it a name. Let's call it a multicolored simple soap. We have given our soap a name now. Multicolored simple soap recipe. Just tell me I produced that your multicolored simple soap recipe and this is the outcome. Send it to me on WhatsApp. I want to celebrate you. Or go and put it in our community. There is a page called community tab here on YouTube. Put it there. Upload it. Let me see what you have done. I want to celebrate you. Or let me even ask you, will you try this? If you try this, just write in the comments. Say, yes, I'm going to try it. Just put it there in the comment. Let me even know if you will try it first. Will you try it? It's very simple. It's not hard at all. Very not complicated at all at all. Please go ahead and try it. It's very simple. Even if you have never done so before, you've been afraid of making soap, or maybe you have been making soap in the past and it never came out well, go and try this recipe. It's a very simple one. I just made it so simple because of you. Very, very simple. It's called process. You can even decide to make your light solution today and use it tomorrow. You can decide to make it today and leave it for like 1 hour, 2 hours. It's fine. And if you think you don't have 1 hour to leave it, just put it inside water. Make your light solution. Get a bigger bowl. Put the light solution with the bowl inside another water. Just to make it, just to speed up the cooling process. And you'll be fine. And if you want to, you can just make your oil very warm. But just make your oil warm if you want to. If you don't want to leave it like that. See, our soap is done. Can you see? Just wait and see the beauty we are going to be unveiling. Very beautiful soap. Just wait. Wait. And I unmolded it the same day. I unmolded it the same day. I unmolded it the same day. The same day. Come and see. Wow. Can you see? Can you see that it is dark? That is because I want to show you that I can. See now, I unmolded it the same day. Can you see that it's a little bit dark? Yes, that is because I want to show you that I did this soap in the afternoon and I unmolded it in the evening. You can see it's a bit darker, a little bit darker than the first video, right? Because I want to cut it the same, to show you that I did it the same day. Can you see how beautiful? Very simple soap, very beautiful soap. Please go and try this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more of this. If you've not subscribed before, please go ahead and subscribe, please. You're going to get value overload here. My name is Ogechimado. If you're meeting me for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please go ahead and like this, and please share it. Share it to your friends, to your families, to your neighbors, even to your enemies. They might become your friend if you share this video to them. Very simple recipe, very simple process, not complicated at all. Not too many chemicals, just 2 chemicals and we are done. Please, have you liked this video yet? If you've not liked it, I beg you, please like it now. Like, wow. Can you see? Can you see our beautiful soap? See now. See our soap. Very beautiful. Wow. See the design. See the soap. 2 color. Very beautiful soap. Very beautiful. Can you see? See now. This one is summer. Obu summer. Very beautiful. Please go ahead and like this video. Is this soap not beautiful? Please give me a like, Bikono. Give me a like. This soap is beautiful. This soap is finest. It's the finest. Please give me a like. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, I beg you, please subscribe to this channel. You're not going to regret doing that. Please subscribe, please like and share. And God bless you as you support my channel. I'm giving you this content for free, helping you to learn a skill. Please support. Let's make it reciprocal. Please also like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.